Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Today, we've got a 3D printer showdown that's hotter than the filament in their extruders. On the left, we have the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro, and on the right, the AnkerMake M5C. Let's see which one of these bad boys is worth your hard-earned cash. Ready? Let's dive in. Alright, let's start with the price because, who doesn't love to talk about money? The Neptune 3 Pro comes in at a wallet-friendly $249. Meanwhile, the AnkerMake M5C thinks it's a high roller at $399. For that extra cash, the AnkerMake better be able to print me a new car, or at least a decent cup of coffee. Next up, speed. The Neptune 3 Pro is like your reliable family sedan, steady and gets the job done. But the AnkerMake M5C? That thing is a speed demon, hitting up to 500 millimeters per second with its Power Boost 2.0 technology. It's like the Ferrari of 3D printers, folks. Just don't expect it to come with a free pit crew. Shh. Let's talk about noise. The Neptune 3 Pro is as quiet as a mouse at 47 to 48 decibels. You could practically print a midnight masterpiece without waking the neighbors. The AnkerMake M5C? Well, let's just say it's not waking up the neighborhood either, but it's not exactly a library in there. Now, extruders. The Neptune 3 Pro has a dual-gear direct drive extruder made of SUS 303 stainless steel. It's like the James Bond of extruders, smooth, efficient, and won't clog under pressure. The AnkerMake M5C boasts an ultra-direct extruder and a 300 degrees Celsius all-metal hot end. So it's more like the Terminator. Powerful and can handle pretty much anything, including carbon fiber. Hasta la vista, baby! Bed leveling. The Neptune 3 Pro has auto mesh bed leveling with a 6x6 grid. It's like having a butler meticulously prepare your print surface. But the AnkerMake M5C? Oh, it's got a 7x7 grid. Because apparently it's an overachiever. It's like having a team of butlers, and one of them is probably named Jeeves. User experience. The Neptune 3 Pro is easy to set up and comes with a complete toolkit. It's like IKEA, but without the Allen wrench nightmares. The AnkerMake M5C, though, lets you control everything from your phone with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You could practically start a print while binge-watching Netflix. Talk about living in the future. Overall, reviewers are impressed with both 3D printers, but for different reasons. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is praised for its reliability, ease of assembly, and quality prints, making it a favorite among beginners and those looking for a budget-friendly option. On the other hand, the AnkerMake M5C wins points for its speed, build quality, and modern features like app control, though some users have experienced issues with larger prints and occasional software bugs. So there you have it, folks. The Neptune 3 Pro is your budget-friendly, reliable choice, while the AnkerMake M5C is the high-speed, tech-savvy contender. Which one's for you? The steady sedan or the flashy Ferrari? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our epic product battles. Until next time, keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.